This is Grammar Points 5-2, Lesson 28, Possessive Adjectives and Possessive Pronouns. Possessive adjectives are words that go before nouns, and because they're adjectives, they give more information about a noun. So in the list below, you see my, your, her, his, its, and our. They come before a noun to show who that thing belongs to or who has ownership of that thing. As in, this is my car, it is your pencil, it is her desk, it is his cup, it's its tail, it's our car. So all of these words come before a noun, describing that noun or giving more information about who owns it. Here are some examples. I'm the boy in the picture on the left. My name, so we're looking here, my name is Tommy. Blank mom is Helen. So Tommy's talking, so he has to say that my name is Helen, my mom is Helen, and blank dad is Bob. So he's talking about his mom and his dad, so he has to say my dad is Bob. I'm blank son. So given these three people, if this is Tommy and this is mom and dad, then they are, I'm their son, because he belongs to both of them. In number 2, I'm the girl in this picture on the right. So it's this girl here. My name is Lisa. Blank parents are Mary and Dave. So this must be Mary and Dave. And since they are her parents, she would say, my parents are Mary and Dave. There's a blank missing here. I'm blank daughter. So because this is the father and the mother, and this is the daughter of the father and the mother, then you would say, I'm their daughter. Number 3, I'm the boy in this picture on the left. So this boy here, my name is Kevin. I have a new sister. Blank name is Betsy. So since we're talking about the sister, we know it's a girl, and it must be this girl right there. Then we would say her name is Betsy. My mom is Sarah. Here's Sarah. And my dad is Bob. Blank last name is Smith. So the name belonging to the two of them, remember that in North American culture, when a woman marries a man, she normally takes on his last name. So both of their last names become Smith. So blank last name is Smith because it's the name that belongs to both of them. We would say their last name. Oops, I'm sorry, because we're including the child as well, we would say our last name, the parents and the children. Our last name is Smith. Sarah Smith, Bob Smith, Betsy Smith, and Kevin Smith. So as I was, in case you're confused for a moment about who they're talking about, they even listed all the names here, so we know it's the whole family. Our last name is Smith. We also have possessive pronouns. Now, unlike adjectives, these do not describe nouns. They take the place of a noun, or it says they're used to refer to or replace possessive nouns or possessive pronouns and the nouns that they describe. They can stand alone and tell who or what owns something. So these do not go in front of a noun, but they stand by themselves. And they may include mine, yours, hers, his, ours. As in, that cup is mine. Or, is this yours? Or, hers is bigger than mine. Or, his was on the table yesterday. Or, is that ours? We're using them not as adjectives, but as standalone pronouns. Some examples. This is a very simple unit, so just a couple of examples here. Jane's plant had grown tall and strong, but blank was short and sickly looking. So actually, looking at the examples here, you could say ours or theirs, but I'm going to pick mine. Mine was short and sickly looking. Mine. After the accident, I could see that my friend's car had been damaged, but mine was fine, or since I used mine already, I'll say ours. the car belonging to me and other members of my group. After the accident, I could see that my friend's car had been damaged, but ours was fine. Finally, we finished our project just a few minutes before they finished theirs. Now this one's a little bit more clear because I'm talking about they, so theirs is the obvious replacement there as a pronoun. They finished theirs, meaning their project. A little side-by-side comparison here of the two. The first example, Joe finished his class project, but her project was just starting. You've got a noun with a possessive adjective in front of it describing the project, telling you whose project it is. This is a possessive adjective. Whereas Joe finished his class project, but hers was just starting. Hers is a pronoun that not only tells you whose, as in her project, but it also takes the place of the word project. This hers equals the project belonging to her or hers.